Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to remove calluses from feet at home. These are some steps for easy callus removal. Let's get right into the video. If you have a callus on your feet, there are a few things that you can do, okay? The first thing is you can get a foot file just like this, okay? And what you can do with this is the first step. You want to take a foot file and you want your feet to be dry. And you want to use the foot file, which usually has two different grits, a rougher one and a not so rough one. You want to use the rougher one to file down the callus a little bit. So make sure your foot's dry. Use the rougher side. Sort of just rub it against the callus. You're going to dry it out a little bit more. You're going to file down the majority of the skin that you can. And it's a multi-step process. We're not removing the callus in just one day. You know, you have to keep bringing it down. Okay? Then we're going to use the finer side. And we're going to sort of fine tune it like this. Okay? Just like that. Now, you're going to put that away, and then the next thing that you want to do is you want to soak your foot in some warm water to soften up that skin where the callus is. And then you want to take a pumice stone. And a pumice stone is just a stone that can be used to sort of work your skin. Take your pumice stone and just rub it against the skin. That's going to exfoliate. Okay? You're going to work that pumice stone against that callus, which will exfoliate it. Then what you want to do is you want to get some cream that you can use. This is going to be used to keep the skin soft, and you want to do this like when you're going to be wearing socks, because you don't want to put cream all over your feet and then you're not wearing socks because you don't want to be walking around with cream all over your open feet. You're going to get cream everywhere. Take just a little bit of cream. It can be any cream. I just use this hand cream for it, and you want to just apply that cream to the callus area. Okay. Just like that. And then what you want to do is put on your sock, just like this, with the cream on there. Totally fine. You're going to wash your socks after. And with that sock on, now you're not going to get cream anywhere. Now you can put your shoes back on, just like that, and you're good to go. Do this twice a day for a few days, and your callus should be gone. So once again, a few simple steps. Once again, you want to make sure that you dry out your skin. Use the foot file on both sides to rub off any skin that you can remove. Then you want to soak your callus in some warm water. When your skin is nice and soft, use the pumice stone, okay? And then you want to apply some cream just to the callus area. You can do your whole foot, but just definitely to the callus area. Put your sock on, put your shoe back on, or whatever footwear you're wearing, and you're good to go. Your callus will be gone before you know it. Repeat this, like I said, twice a day for a while, and you'll be good to go. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.